And today we have some 91 patents and IPRs of this university. And just all state agriculture universities do their program in this university in our curriculum. It is a program, would be a center of excellence, backed by IIT Bombay.
Technology innovation का ecosystem gets highlighted at the national and global level. Individually institutions की जो technologies develop होती हैं, जो अच्छा होता है, उसकी कुछ outreach होती है, but in a cohesive manner, J&K's STI ecosystem कैसे highlight हो? तो एक initiative again J&K से pilot किया है, बाकी states में बाद में जाएगा. It's called Innovation Ambassadors Program.
Inspire the institutions and stakeholders in the northern region that how innovations can help India transform itself. When we talk about building the economy which can make us proud to be the third largest economy of the world, and which can also help us to register ourselves amongst the developed nations of the world. Set a new kind of a thought process in the university, that the faculty, the students, the entrepreneurs, even every one of us has to be now more creative. We have to have that kind of critical thinking amongst us. And
I always see a lot of people, making small JCBs, machines, and people appreciating that because we lack scientific temperament. A JCB machine is in an excavator. JCB is the name of company, so an excavator is already there. We don't want a young boy sitting in a village wasting his time on making an excavator. They have different ideas, they have different innovations in mind, so there is something we need to offer them. So Department of Science and Technology, certainly under the able leadership of Honorable Minister, is considering a youth innovation scholarship or fellowship which will be getting feedback from the university as well. So there's a need to move from pilots to policy. Like I mentioned, that Scotch is already doing this, but I think we just, from the government side, need to leverage this innovation at a greater level.
So I commit you कि government के पार्ट कुछ भी, आप हमारे टीचर्स बनकर चलिए, हम स्टूडेंट्स बनकर आए हैं, और whatever you require, उसके लिए I promise you as a minister of government, मैं एक फैसिलिटेटर का काम करूँगा और एक दोस्त का काम करूँगा. आज जैसे आपने बोला डेटा, शायद साहब ने डेटा की बात की, इंफॉर्मेशन इज द की, और आज जब इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी अपने अरूज पर है, और मुझे लगता है हिंदुस्तान आने वाली ये सदी जो है ये हिंदुस्तान की है, प्रोवाइडेड फॉर द प्लेटफॉर्म. गवर्नमेंट की विल चाहिए और आप जैसे लोगों का एक गाइडेंस चाहिए. एंड I commit that we'll make J&K model of innovation led by development in entire country as well as the world.